Hey everyone, welcome back to another cool video. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete process of successfully uploading a video. Let's dive in. Click on the Create icon, camera with a plus sign, at the top right corner. Select Upload Video and choose the video file you want to upload. In the Details section, you'll see a field labeled Title. Enter a catchy and descriptive title for your video. Make sure it accurately reflects the content of your video and includes relevant keywords to improve searchability. Add a detailed description of your video, including any important information and keywords. Upload a custom thumbnail or choose one of the auto-generated options. Add your video to an existing playlist or create a new one. Add relevant tags to help people find your video. Add in screens to promote other videos, playlists, or channels. Add cards to link to other videos, playlists, or external websites. If you choose public, anyone can search for and view your video. If you chose unlisted, only people with the link can view your video. If you choose private, only you and people you choose can view your video. You can set a specific date and time for your video to go live. Once you've filled in all the details and settings, click on Publish button. Hey there, fabulous viewers. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, and I know you did because you have excellent taste, don't be shy, hit that like button like it owes you money. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. Trust me, it's like joining an exclusive club where we share all the coolest secrets. Lastly, drop a comment below, ask any tech question from us and tell what do you want in next video. Goodbye for now, my fellow content connoisseurs. Catch you in the next one.